Friends, I'm Sapna Blara. In the last videos, we have discussed the chapter. In this video, I will tell you the extra question of the chapters. I hope you have done the textbook question. Some questions are also there inside of the chapter. You have to do those questions also there. While discussing the extra question, maybe some of the questions will be repeat. So need not to do again the extra those question, repeated question you have to do. Okay, now let's discuss the extra questions. I will tell you the paragraph wise questions. This chapter I will tell you from each paragraph how you can make the question, how you can give the answers. From the next chapter onwards, you have to do it by your own. You have to make question from each paragraph and then you have to write down the answers. Okay, because it is very necessary. In board exams, you never know from which paragraph which line will come, and if you will do like this, if you will do question from each paragraph, so there will be no chance you are not able to give any answer of any questions, because thoroughly you have done each question and answer from paragraph wise. Okay, so it will be very useful for you also. So at the time of examination, you just read the question and answer from your notebook also. That is also enough. Okay. Now let's start. From the first paragraph, first page, first paragraph of the chapter, the question can be, why was Harriet shocked at the appearance of the dog? So how you can make the answer? When he saw the dog became hugely fat, like a burger sausage with a leg at each corner. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy, started straight ahead, and his tongue lolling from his jaws. This is your answer, and this is your question. See, I have written para number 2. Like this, you had to make question from each paragraph. What was wrong with Tricky according to Mrs. Pumphrey? Again, the answer in the second paragraph. She explained he was so listless. He seemed to have no energy. Mrs. Pumphrey thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So she have been giving him some little extras. See, I have converted I to she here. Like this, you have to convert. Don't write down I as it is, because it is not denoting you. It is denoting Mrs. Pumphrey. So you have to convert it into third persons. Take these things care. Cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. So you can write down the answer till here also. Like this, you have to give the questions and their answer. Why was what was Mr. Harriet's strict advice? Strict advice of Mr. Harriet is to cut down on the sweet things. First. Second, one more answer is also there. To give him plenty of exercise. These are two answers for the same question. First is to cut down on the sweet things. Second is to give him plenty of exercise. Okay. Next question. Why Mrs. Pumphrey did not give plenty of exercise? The last paragraph, it is the answer. He has a little walks with Mrs. Pumphrey. Again, you have to convert me into Mrs. Pumphrey. As no need of writing, as you can see. Cut it. But Hodgkin, the gardener, has been down with lumbago. Lumbago means is a kind of muscular pain. So there has been no ring throwing lately. That's why she has not given any exercise to the dog Tricky. This is your answer. What were the instructions given by the doctor? Page number 2, para 1. So I have take out page number 2, para 1. What about the exercise? He said that if Mrs. Pemprey do not cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. Mrs. Pemprey must harden her heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Like this, you have to convert the word also while writing the answer. Next, why is Mrs. Pemprey worried about Tricky? Page 2, para number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because in these two paragraphs, not a good question came. That's why I have not taken any question from these two paragraphs. So what is the question? Why is Mrs. Pemprey worried about Tricky? This is very important question. And some of the students, maybe you have written the answer from the first page, but the answer of this question is come from the second page, para number 4. Mrs. Pemprey was distraught or worried. Tricky would not eat a thing because Tricky would not eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides he had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on a rug and panting, did not want to go for walks, did not want to do anything. That's why she was worried for the dog. Next, what plans did the doctor make to treat? You know very well, you have read the chapter. So, program paragraph number 5, Mrs. Pemprey, from it you have to write down. He had made many plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. He suggested that he means Tricky be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. This is the instruction given by the doctor. Next, describe the parting scene between Tricky and Mrs. Pemprey's household. So you will get the answer from the next page, page number 3, second paragraph. The entire staff was roused and made rush in the complete paragraph. You have to write down for this answer. Next is, how did other dogs treat Tricky on the first day? So answer is page number 3, para 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. From these answers, you will get your answer. At the surgery, the household dogs searched around it. The complete paragraph you had to write down for this answer. Till here, 10 question I told you. So this inside question from this page, from page number 3, from page number 1, you will also do these questions also in your notebook. Maybe some of the questions are repeating, you can avoid those questions. Thank you.